Colva Panchayat and Rachol Panchayats have failed to set up material recovery facility for the purpose of garbage segregation as per the timeline given by the High Court, which is why during hearing of the connected PIL, the High Court has forfeited the amount of 90,000 rupees which was deposited by the panch members of Colva Panchayat and 60,000 rupees which was deposited by panch members of Rachol Panchayat, and has given a new timeline of 28 February 2023 on the condition they will deposit again 90,000 rupees and 60,000 rupees respectively. Bhati Panchayat and St. Lourance Panchayats have also failed to set up MRF as per the timeline given by the High Court, which is why, given the time till 28th February to set up MRF, the High Court has directed all the panch members of Bhati Panchayat and St. Lourance Panchayat to deposit 10,000 rupees each from their own pocket as performance guarantee amount. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.